the 5 pentatonic shapes and how they connect. We'll look at shape 1. It starts on the 5th fret of the low E string. You'll have 5, 8. On the A string you have 5, 7. On the D string you have 5, 7. On the G string you have 5, 7. On the B string you'll have 5, 8. In the high E string you'll have 5, 8. Shape 2 in black shares the last note on each string of shape 1. So where you left off on shape 1 is where you start shape 2. So shape 2 gives you 8, 10 on the low E, 7, 10 on the A string, 7, 10 on the D string, 7, 9 on the G, 8, 10 on the B string, and 8, 10 on the high E. Then we move on to shape 3. That's going to share the last note of shape 2, as each shape will connect to each other. Shape 3, we have 10, 12 on the low E, 10, 12 on the A, 10, 12 on the D, 9, 12 on the G, 10, 13 on the B, and 10, 12 on the IE. You can see in shape 3 that a lot of the pattern repeats. So you have a lot of 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, and then on the high E you have 10, 12. And on the G string, this shape here, this 9, 12, when you move to the B string, you just take that same shape and you move it ahead 1 fret. And you got 10, 13. So in order to memorize your pentatonic shapes, look at these patterns. You can see. Look for the repeating patterns, okay? All right, so we go on to shape 4. We have 12, 15 on the low E, 12, 15 on the A string. There is a shape that we can say is double your pattern, okay? You can use your first pinky if you like. Then we have 12, 14, 12, 14. There's another pattern, okay? Then we come in on the 13, 15, and then back out to the 12, 15. So we have 12, 15 3 times in this shape. We have 12, 14 twice, and then we just take this shape and we move it ahead 2 frets. And again, shape 5 will share the last note of shape 4. And on shape 5 we have 15, 17, 15, 17, 14, 17, 14, 17, 15, 17, 15, 17. Now on shape 5 there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 strings that have the exact same shape, okay? And then the 2 in the middle are identical. So that's actually an easier shape to memorize right there. And then after shape 5, shape 1 starts over again. Okay, so we have 17, 20, 17, 19, 17, 19, 17, 19. So there's 3 that repeat it. 17, 20, 17, 20. So you have your low E and your B and your high E are the same shapes. And then again we'll come up to shape 2. That just repeats. It's after shape 1, of course. And then so on, as far as you can go with your, most guitars have 24 frets, most have 22, 24. And that's how you connect your pentatonic shapes.